Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Banao Bharat's Trading for Living Friday post market live session. Weekly expiry for Sensex today. After a very difficult and ferocious Nifty expiry, today for a change was a very muted day. Before going into the Sensex chart, let us once see the Nifty chart. Nifty on the anticipated lines has opened higher, but you can see here after yesterday's very good pullback, today it was not able to sustain the higher levels and it has closed towards the day's low of around 22,200. For the large part of the day, it was trading above 22,200 and below 22,300. Within a very small range of 100 points, it has spent the whole day without much triggering any buy signal or the sell signal. In fact, there was if it had fallen a little bit more and probably there would have been a small short trade for yesterday's up move to get negated, but that has not happened, and probably in the coming days the up move will get sustained. So that is with respect to the Nifty. Coming to the Bank Nifty was slightly weaker compared to the other charts. This is the Bank Nifty chart. You can see here it made a lower high at 47,300. This is the futures chart. Let me get into the spot chart. You can see here it topped out at 47,245 and it had one selling signal at 46,927 levels. From there on, it cracked a couple of times and came down up to 46,723 before closing at 46,778. So mainly Nifty has not given up much to decipher whether it is in the buy signal or the sell signal. So we have to, based on yesterday's move, we have to consider it to be in the up move itself. But Bank Nifty on the intraday basis looks like it has topped out, especially Bank Nifty futures chart has shown kind of lower highs, which means it has developed some weakness in the charts. So Nifty and Bank Nifty both signaling slightly differently, but we have to wait and watch how the Monday will pan out. Coming to the Sensex charts looks very similar to the Nifty chart, not much to decipher out of it, but there is one opening big red candle which might be a dampener on Monday if it opens higher and if it does not sustain. Today's range 73,400 to 73,000, within a small range of 400 points. Sensex has expired. So after a big challenging day for Nifty option writers, today looks like Sensex has given decent money to all the option writers because there was not much directional move in any of the counters. Nifty remained sideways, Sensex has remained sideways. Bank Nifty has shown weakness, but even though it has shown weakness, it has not fallen significantly from the sell levels. It has fallen, yes, about 150 to 200 points, but not a very significant correction that we can see in Bank Nifty chart. These two charts, Nifty and Sensex, both have closed towards the day's low. That is the only major point that we need to keep in mind. But for that, for now, yesterday's up move holds good and it has not given up the gains, which looks like on Monday or for the coming week we may have to play little bit more on the long side until unless there are certain signals which will negate this up move and start showing weakness once again. So this is with respect to the chart analysis post market session for the indices. Let us once again catch up on Monday and see how the trading week begins. Until then, over the weekend, do some good reading on technical analysis or fundamental analysis or any aspect of your trading journey. And with respect to the Banao Bharat channel. If you are liking the content, do subscribe to the channel and come to the channel more often. While we are live, you can come and discuss your trading related queries. So that's it from my end. Have a nice weekend. Let us once again meet up on Monday. Until then, Om Swasti.